Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to add service level global fallbacks in Rust. So first of all, let's understand when do we need global fallbacks before start implementing it. So let's say we have some routes, which is let's say /health, and then we have /user, user ID, and then someone requests us on /person or /customer, which will obviously return a 404 not found. But what if we want to have a custom handling from the server side for that, which will basically act as a fallback? So we can maybe have some monitoring there or maybe route to a different service. So let's see how can we do this. So first of all, let's go to our cargo terminal file. Here we'll add Axiom for our web server, and then we'll add Tokyo for async programming with version as latest and features as full, and then build our project. So once the dependencies are added, we'll just quickly go ahead and add a handler for one route, which is let's say returning some HTML, and here we do static str HTML, and we just return a h1 tag saying hello world, and then we go ahead and basically start our server. So async, and here we can just do let app router new route, and we add our route, let's say health get, and add our handler. Then we add the listener, so Tokyo net TCP listener bind on port 3000 as always that we do, await unwrap, and print. Here we say listening, and here we can add our path as well where we are listening. So we can just say listener dot local address dot unwrap, and then we can just go ahead and do Axiom serve to serve our app on our listener, await and unwrap. So this is basically our web server. This is our handler for one route. But what if user requests us on any of these routes? Then it should return 404 not found, but we want to do some custom handling for that. Then we can just do another handler. So we can just do async fn handler 404, and we can return impl into response, and we can basically let's say return status code as not found, and then we can just say oops, nothing here. And this is basically what I'm returning, but you can add more things as well. Maybe render a page, or maybe you can redirect to a service, monitor, whatever you want to do. And then here we can just do fallback and pass our handler. So this is literally all that you need to do for handling the fallback. And let's go ahead and test our application. So open your terminal, and we'll do cargo run. Okay, so as you can see, our app is up and running. Now let's go ahead and test it. So as always, I'll just use Insomnia. We create a new HTTP request, and 3000 /health, it returns hello world as expected, and then we let's say call slash, it returns 404, oops, nothing here. Similarly /user ID, because we don't have these routes. So this is basically a service level global handling for your 404, and any routes that's not supported from your service, you can basically return this page. Now assume if you are returning this from your gateway or your main service, then this will act as a common page for not found throughout your service, which for the consistency is great. So you can return HTML or even some string like this. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understand and learn something new. If you do, just like the video and comment down your thoughts and where can you use it, your ideas, and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.